You know, I'm not proud to admit this, but the TT is an absolute disaster right now. You can see it, it kind of has a little bit of cratering right now, and I really do need to wash this car so badly. But I'm not doing that today. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day today. Today, I'm gonna be taking this car to an Audi car meet, and so I'm excited to see what's there. I've never taken my car to an Audi event before. I've only taken it to like general car events, so this is the first time I'm doing that. So I'm excited. Let's get in the car. Let's go. Cold start 2016 Audi TT. I seriously need to get an exhaust for this car. It's too quiet. But anyways, let's go. So we figured while I'm here, why not do the first ever mod to the TT, which is these. And if you're wondering what this is a puddle light. So essentially, the story behind this is one of my buddies has an A4, and his A4 has puddle lights. Another buddy of mine has an A4, his A4 has puddle lights. Both these guys' puddle lights make me jealous of the fact that my car doesn't have puddle lights. Along with that, the Q8 loaner car I received in December had puddle lights too, and I just really liked how dramatic it was. So today, we're gonna do the same thing to my car, so yeah. So step one is to basically get your pry tool and then try and do this. This is not a tutorial because I'm an idiot. So hopefully this works well.
Yeah, so if you look at this edge, there's a little bit of a slot. It's not much, but you can kind of catch it with your fingernail.
Oh, I see.
It doesn't want to go, try it from the other side too.
Like loosen it out?
Yeah.
The good thing is this is on the undercarriage of the bodies, or well, not body, but like the underside of the door, so it won't matter as much.
Yeah, it's all plastic. You're not going to tear it up too much.
I'm more worried about this light. I don't want it to shatter on me.
Oh, it's plastic. You're not going to shatter that.
Man.
Now, if it was 30 years old and it was weathered, and you'd be like, it might break.
I just break it. Oh.
It's a tool.
I might just broke the tool. Shoot.
Here, pause your GoPro.
Yeah, I got you. You want to give it a shot?
But yeah, it's in there tight, and that little plastic tool
is not happy.
Isn't enough to.
Yeah.
But yeah, you should be able to get that up in there.
Yeah.
And lever it out now.
So the good thing now, I think, is we can just pull it, maybe?
You're still going to need the tool.
Gotcha. All right. And then so presumably it's just disconnect. That's where's the other one? Disconnect and reconnect. All right. Please do not start an electrical fire. Volkswagen Audi Group, making everything interesting to work on. Let me see the other one. Oh no. I think the are they? I feel like the connectors look different.
So you get two different connectors.
Oh.
For two different models of car.
Oh my god. I was gonna say all of this. I knew the bottom part looked familiar, but I was worried about the top part if it needed that top part.
There should be a button or a pin or something you gotta depress
on like the module?
On the connector.
The thing with me is I have the tendency to turn a 5-second job into like a 30-minute job.
And you want to take your time.
True, yeah. I think I'm also worried about like just breaking the car. Just press it like this. I think I got it pushed down. You mind just pulling the thing out? Yes. All right, and that is one dome or one puddle light out of one Audi TT. The reconnection. This is probably the one time where reassembly is going to be easier than disassembly. Hopefully I didn't jinx myself there. Yeah! Let's go. Oh man. Oh yes. Oh, I love that so much. Now I gotta do it we gotta do it for the other side. I mean, the first time you do it is the hardest time, I think. Every time after, you get more experience with it. Presumably. Did you think with your Sunday you were gonna help a total stranger messed with his Audi.
Wouldn't be the first time. Like I said, it's not an Audi weakness. The hood's popped and we're taking something apart.
Fair enough, fair enough. So we're currently moving the Supra so that way we have a bit more room for me to actually open up this door. Look at the wing on that Supra, by the way. That thing is astronomically awesome. Like, holy crap. But anyways, look at the small wing on the TT, and let's open up this door. Let's get into the second part of this. My TT brethren has arrived. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh man. My TT just looks kind of basic now compared to this one. Man.
I was telling him it's not an Audi weakness. Hood's popped and we're working on something.
This week it's dome lights, or not dome lights, puddle lights. Oop. Yes! And puddle light 2 has been taken out. Let's go. Number 2. All right, now that the puddle lights are in, I'm just gonna double check and let's just make sure. This is so stupid, but let's just make sure your car starts and everything's good. All right, that's good. My hood is open for some reason. I don't know why. Did I accidentally open the hood on the car? I might have, honestly, and I just did not realize it. Oh, no, I did. I just didn't fully shut it. That's why. There we go. Okay. So, now that that's done, let's see. All right, Rick Ross, not now, but yeah, hood's closed. Man. Take a look at this TTRS right here. It's tuned up to 650 horsepower. It has the E85 flex fuel tune on it. It has the biggest cold air intake I've ever seen. APR parts all around. It is so crazy to picture that in that chassis and this chassis have such crazy differences. That's pushing 220 and this is 650, which is insane. And going on to the interior, firstly, there's a whole lot of stuff in here that I want to bring to my TT. The main one being the steering wheel. That steering wheel is awesome, especially with the paddles. I've said this before, but I hate the paddles in my TT, so I really want to try and redo them to have something really cool. We also have the rear wing here. This is so unbelievable. Just picture how different it is. Like, my oh my. And take a look at this right here. We have an S5 right here, and I have to say, this green color is amazing. The thing I love about Audis is that they are these menacing German cars, yes, that can do a lot, but they can also be really colorful, you know? It's kind of like Dodge in that way, and I know comparing Audi and Dodge might be a little bit of blasphemy, but like, Dodge does such awesome colors, like with Plum Crazy. I think they do like a yellow color that's also great as well. And just like colors on Dodge vehicles and colors on Audi vehicles, they're just perfect. Like, it is amazing. Specifically, this green color right here, I really do like this green color. It has the big old S brakes right there, which you got to appreciate. And just overall, this is just awesome. Like, there's no way to put it besides. This thing is awesome. But I think on that note, I am going to log off for today. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I know I did a lot more modding than I did showing of the cars, but I think it's a good twist. I think it's a good change on things. So if you guys did like that, let me know in the comments. And if you like what you're seeing, leave a subscribe. And just like that, I am out. I'm gonna go keep driving my TT and trying to just enjoy the new puddle lights on it. Peace.